Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a fall pillow. It's going to be a budget friendly. I know you guys are really going to love it, especially if you are into the trucks, the vintage trucks. So just stay along and let's see what it turns out to be. Okay. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to actually just get to my materials and gather them. So I'm going to be using a placemat that came from Dollar Tree. That's so stinking adorable. It's one of my favorite words apparently, but anyhow. It has this image on it. We all love the trucks. And I'm also going to use one of their, I think it's called their bath mats. It's 100%. They're really popular right now, but they feel kind of soft, but they're also very durable. So I'm going to put both of these together, and then we're just going to fill it. And then I have some beautiful trim that I want to add with it. So we'll see how we're going to embellish it. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take two coordinating ribbons that I found at Dollar Tree, which I think are just adorable. Country kind of goes in with the theme and the colors of what we're going to do. And I'm going to make a cute little bow so we can embellish it. Probably on the tailgate, I think would be really cute. So let's see where we find out, okay? Just stick that baby right there. Here's the finished products. Simple, easy, really adorable. But now I'm going to take it inside and see what's going to look like on the sofa.